In this section, I want to cover 5 reasons why keeping a trading journal is essential to you being successful. The first one is simply that almost all expert traders keep a trading journal and they review their trades on a regular basis. And guess what? Expert traders make a lot of money. Obviously, a trading journal doesn't guarantee your success, but you should do all you can to model successful traders in order to become one yourself. The second reason to keep a trading journal is that it will help you define your unique situation in life. The third reason you should keep a trading journal is it's going to help you keep progress of your goals you set in your trading plan, and that's really important. Fourth, it will help you become aware of your weaknesses and strengths in your ability to trade under pressure. And fifth, which is probably the most important, is it will provide a way to coach yourself and improve on your own. Your trading journal will be a coach in that it will guide you every step of the way. It will point out your mistakes. It will recognize things that went well, and it will help hold you accountable for your performance. Keeping a trading journal and reviewing your trades can teach you more than a lot of books or seminars. Your journal will have detailed records on everything from psychological issues to market environment, system tweaks, and much more. You'll learn important things like which news events you should avoid, how much more or less you should risk per trade, what time of the day that you should be trading with your trading system, and a lot more. How disciplined you are with your trading journal will be a great predictor of your overall Forex trading success down the road.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.